Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Jeep Renegade, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your radio in this car. So let's start. First thing, what we're gonna use, good thing to have is a butter knife, tool number 1. Okay, butter knife. Tool number 2, screwdriver, and T20 star screwdriver. So we have radio right here, and let's remove it. Okay, so I'm gonna use one hand and let's go. So we're just trying to get this. Okay, so this right here, this plastic, it goes around the radio itself. Okay, so we have to remove the plastic first. So now I'm gonna put this screwdriver here, putting it in between and carefully pulling it here, just going around carefully. Try not to scratch it. It's better just to take it nice and slow. From more places like this, you're not gonna damage nothing. Just don't over push it. Okay. Because this plastic is very brittle. Okay, if you're gonna over force it, you're gonna break it. Good, it means one clip came out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to pull this thing out, and with the other hand I'm gonna try to grab on the top. Here we go. Okay, so we get it out. As you can see, we didn't break nothing, which is good. So as you can see, it's been held right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Okay, it's been, so the clips come here and here, here and here. So maybe it's easier just to put it out here and here, here and here. But then again, you have 4 more, which go in here and here. All right, so we got this out good, no casualties. Next thing, we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. For that we're gonna need the T20 screwdriver. So let's get 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out. Now when we have 4 screws out, and let's get the radio out. Like this. Very simple. Okay, here we're gonna remove all these connectors, so just press middle, press here and pull, press here and pull, a little bit uncomfortable, pull, press and pull. Okay, to remove this connector, the big one, you have to press here. Okay, so with the thumb I'm pressing on it and just raising it up, and that's it. Okay, so this is how you take the radio out. Once you have the replacement one, you can buy used one on eBay, for example. Just type in the whatever car you have here, and get the same one. Make sure you have the same connectors like the one on you're going to buy on eBay, and that's it. Just when you have the replacement one, same way. Put in the connector. Okay, just oops, put it in till this thing clicks. Connect all the connectors according colors, yellow, 1, 2 and 3. That's it. Wiggle the thing back in. Okay, make sure that all the holes are aligned. Okay, no gaps. And put back 4 screws. Okay, when we have the screws back in, make sure you put the stop on correctly. Okay, just click it in. Just gonna click it. Okay, good. So as you can see, it's very simple. Let's turn it on. Good. So yeah, guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.